This is my Chromebook screen, and even though it doesn't look like one, it's more like an Android screen. This is in fact a Chromebook interface. You can see that at the bottom there is a shelf with a lot of apps, and overall it looks like a Chromebook screen. But I just rotate the screen to 90 degrees, and that's why everything looks vertical. So today I'm going to show you on how you can adjust the angle or rotate the screen of your Chromebook device, and we don't have to use any third-party tool or app because everything is available directly in the Chrome OS setting. So here's how you can rotate the screen to whatever angle that you like. Actually, not whatever, because there are only 4 different presets, but yeah, I think that's good enough for a lot of people. Now, what you need to do is you have to open the launcher menu. And after that, navigate to settings. And after that, since I'm using the vertical orientation, that's usually will hide the left side menu. But if you're using the horizontal orientation, there should be a menu on the left side of the screen. So I have to open this section first, and you want to navigate to device, and then click display. And this is where you can play around with the orientation setting. So right now, as I mentioned earlier, the device is using 90-degree rotation, and if I want to go back to the default 0-degree, then I can click that option, and this is the result. So I think this is definitely a lot better. And of course, you can go back and then change the setting to maybe 180, 270, etc. And by the way, if you're using the tablet mode, there's going to be an option for auto rotate. There's going to be the 5th option called auto rotate, and it's going to adjust the orientation based on the how you hold your Chromebook. You could be holding it in a horizontal or vertical position, and I think that mode is very useful on the tablet mode. But if you are using the normal mode like the laptop mode, then I think you have to select the appropriate orientation for that mode, and I think 90-degree for my case is the perfect setting. But anyway, that's exactly how you can change the screen rotation of your Chromebook device. If you found this tutorial video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.